All right, I'm just gonna start filling in under the jacket first. Can't have a bunch of deep undercuts, and especially underneath the jacket. I figured I'd better do this before I start on the hands, or the under the arms of the mountain man, because it's got to be done. All right, I'm going to come back when I get this done and start working underneath the arms. I'm not going to put a lot of detail in the bottom part of the arm because, or the underside of the arm, primarily because it's not going to be showing that much. I'm trying to show as much as I can, but it's awful hard at this angle. And so I'm not sure I'm going to record a lot of this. I'm just putting a little texture in the coat. It's a lot easier to do it here than it is to do it when it's upright. got him back upright. And I like the way it turned out. Each time you change the angle, you see something that needs to be touched up. So you touch it up. All right, now what to do? I think I'll start his beard and his hair. Now this is my first attempt at the beard, and I might take the beard off and try it again, but I'll do it until I like it. The texture in that is going to make a lot of difference. Okay, I'll come right back. My hand's going to be right in the way, so rather than have you watch my hand, I'll do this off camera. Well, gonna try that again. Not quite sure I like this yet. I'll keep playing with it and see where it goes. Well, it's getting there slowly. Like I said, I'm not sure about the beard yet. I think what I'll do is I'll live with it overnight and see how I feel about it tomorrow. I'm not certain that a mountain man who takes a Native American wife would have kept a beard for very long. Because the one thing the Native American woman was not used to is a hairy face. I'm reminded and it's probably not the best place to be reminded of, the movie Jeremiah Johnson with Robert Redford, and he ends up with this flathead woman, and he notices her face is turning red with a rash, and it's caused by the beard. But even so, it gives him some character that I want, and maybe he'll shave his beard after I cast him in bronze. I don't know, he's kind of starting to remind me of the guy on the Vikings. Can't remember what his character's name was, but he was the main character. All right, I'm going to come back tomorrow and see how I feel about this. All right, everybody, have a great night. I'll see you next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.